So my name's Lucy and I'm one of the employability consultants here at Birkbeck. I'm also one of the co-programme managers for the Ability programme. So the Ability programme is a bespoke careers and employability programme especially designed for students and recent graduates who have a disability, mental health, neurodiverse or long-term health condition. Okay, so the Ability programme was designed to try and break down some of the barriers that those with disabilities face when they're looking for employment. I mean, the current stats for the disability employment gap, I think, stand at about 28%. So we really wanted to do something to address that. So it works in two ways. The first part of the programme is bespoke workshops. So these are interactive workshops run by the careers team, looking at things like disclosure. What does that mean? How to have that conversation with an employer? Adjustments. What adjustments can I ask for? What is reasonable? Plus we do a lot of employer-led sessions as well. So we have employers coming in to talk about what they do in terms of disability, and it also helps raise the awareness of disability confident organisations with students, because I think sometimes there is a little bit of nervousness about kind of talking about a disability. The second part of the programme is the placements. So last year we had funding for 12 placements with disability confident employers. It was an amazing experience. We worked with some amazing employers from Reed Smith, who are a global law firm, The Telegraph, Azure, who are an insurtech company, and Wells Tobias, who are a recruitment agency. And the students all had an amazing time. They all had the opportunity to really get involved, add value to the business, which is absolutely fantastic. So the benefit for students is probably quite varied, I'd say. I think one of the key things is helping to build confidence. Certainly something we see is that that's an area that's lacking, often because they don't feel that they necessarily have the skills, or they feel that having a disability means that they don't have the ability to go and do something. So working through the workshops, plus having interactions with employers, going on placement, absolutely helps to build that level of confidence. There's the peer-to-peer networking. So those on the Ability cohort will come along to the workshops and the fantastic conversations that happen there, and the students start supporting each other. I think also the placements as well. I think they are kind of the real key to this. That's going to give students the opportunity to build experience for their CV. It gives them the opportunity to be in an organisation that understands disability. It means they can be open about their adjustments as well. And it really builds, again, that level of confidence, so that when they're looking for a new role, they've got kind of all the skills that they need. So the benefit for employers, I think, is probably twofold. One is having the opportunity to have access to some of our talented and hugely motivated students. I know I'm slightly biased, but I worked with the last 12 students and they absolutely were. They went into the businesses and they really added value. So a number of them worked on bespoke projects, one of which the CEO now takes out when he pitches for work to clients. So, you know, the level of value that could be added is huge. Plus, these are students that can come in with fresh ideas. You know, some of them, because of the nature of their disability, may think in a completely different way, and that can absolutely add something to your organisation. And the other is from the diversity and inclusion perspective. It's obviously high on most organisations' agenda. Taking part in a programme like this means that you can talk about what you've been doing, but it also helps your business to understand you know, how to work with people with disabilities, and that actually it's not that scary. So I think absolutely those are probably the two main things that employers will get out of it. So if you're an employer and you want to get involved, and we would love to hear from anybody, any sector, any size, get in touch with the team. So you can get in touch with us at employability@bbk.ac.uk.